Hello, friends. Today for math, we are going to learn about teen numbers. Teen numbers. Can you see that? Teen numbers. And before we get to those numbers, we are going to have a review and count the numbers we've been talking about a lot, which is 0 through 10. All of our math, we've been working with 0 to 10. Of course, we know how to count further than 10, but we've only been doing math with those numbers. So now we're going to learn about teen numbers. So before we do that, let's do some counting. So what number is this? Yep, we have 0. We have 1. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the numbers that we've been working with a lot. So this week, we're going to go to the teen numbers. So teen numbers start after 10. So let's think about when we were in class and we would do our calendar and we had a side that was tens and a side that was ones. Before we get any further into teen numbers, let's look at this. Okay, so we have, these are ones. We have 10 ones because they're separate. Okay, once we put those tens together, they become a 10 stick. Everyone say 10 stick. So this 10 stick is the same like when we use our straws for our calendar. Once we get to 10 individual straws, we put the rubber band around them and we have a bundle of straws, okay? Because, and just like this, so if we were pretending that we had 10 straws in our calendar and we put them all together, they become a 10. So this is a 10 stick. And then we've also learned about 10 frames, right? So if we were doing a math problem and we had dots inside, we would know that that's how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After a while, we'll be able to look with our eyes and we'll just know that that's 5. If we've seen dots in all 10, in all boxes, we would know it's 10 because we know this is a 10 frame. So we know this is a 10 stick and we know this is a 10 frame, okay? So when we did our calendar, we always had our tens and ones, right? So when we have our teen numbers, we know that we can start there. And we have something that we'll learn called counting on. So when we know we have 10, we don't have to start all over, okay? So again, we are talking about teen numbers. And that's still, some of you might already know, and others of you are like, well, Mrs. King, what are teen numbers? So you might have some question marks in your brain right now when you're trying to think, what are teen numbers? So I drew some pictures and hopefully you can't see through. So this will show you, what number is this? 11, because 10 comes after 11, right? So, and I got ahead of myself. I forgot to tell you what our learning target is. We have our learning target. Can you see that? And it says our learning target is, I am learning that teen numbers are made up of one group of 10 and a group of ones. I messed up there. Okay, so I am learning that teen numbers are made up of a group of tens a group of 10 and a group of ones, okay? I know that I am successful when I can identify a team number by counting the group of 10 and the 1, okay? So that means that you'll be able to look at something like this and you won't have to count each one because you know since it's a circle that it's a group of 10. So remember last week we talked about counting on. So then you know, oh, well, this is 10. 10 and 1 make what? Okay. So if I had my board, we were looking at this down here, we know that 10 and 1 make 11, okay? So 10 and 1, okay? Now, on the other side, I have, what number is that? 12. We have 10 and 2 make 12. Ten and 3 make 13. 10 and 4 make 14. Put these here. 10 and 5 make 15. 10 and 6 make 16. 10 and 7 make 17. 10 and 8 make 18. 10 and 9 make 19. And our team numbers stop at 19 because look what happens. What do you think what happens when we say 20? Do you think 20 is a team number? So we have to remember our team numbers have, where's my pen? Our team numbers have a 1 in the 10 spot, okay? So we're at 19. What happens when we say 20? Right, we're gonna have to put a 2 here and a 0. Do we have a 1 in the 10 space? No, we don't. So 20 is not a team number because it's in its 20s now, not a team number anymore, okay? All right, so now that we've reviewed that, I wanna show you a video. Let's watch a fun video. And now that you know a little bit about team numbers, you can use what you've learned to sing along with this song. All right. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, it's not being nice to me. Mrs. King is still learning, just like you're learning. We are all learning together. Okay, let's see. I need to open up the video and then I'll be able to share my screen. All right, friends. Thank you for being so patient. All right, here we go. I want to share my screen and I want to share my sound so my friends can hear it. All right, here we go.
Locating numbers with a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group.
Hold on, I'm going to start it over because I feel like it's not loud enough. All right, here we go. I hope you can see it, friends.
Locating numbers with a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10.
All right. So let's now look at our PowerPoint. And we've already talked about our learning target. So we can skip this page once I get it up. There we go. And here are our teen number names. So I am going to circle a number and I want you to say the number when I circle it. Are you ready? Okay, if you need help, you can ask someone next to you. Mrs. King is giving you time. So first I circled 11, then 16. What about this one? Yep, I'm mixing them up. 14, 18, 13, 15, 12, 17, 19. Okay, there are 19 numbers, 9 of them. Okay, pretty good. And then it says, what are teen numbers? We know that teen numbers are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Those are our teen numbers. And so your math today, you need to think about, how many do I see? So the first thing that you can do is color 10. So the ones that you're gonna practice, they'll already be colored for you. But I'm gonna just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then after you have a group of 10, you always wanna use a different color, because if you color them all the same and you lose track of your counting, then you're gonna have to start it all over again. So instead of counting all over again, You already know you did 10. And remember I taught you that trick where you can tap your head. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What number did we stop at? 14. So we know that this number, this picture shows 14. Okay, so you're gonna go and practice. And here, for an example, I'm gonna show you. You have your blue connecting cubes. These are gonna be your groups of 10, okay? All of these are your groups of 10. And if you're not sure, you can count it. And after the first time, then you'll know that they're all the same, so they have to have 10 in them. But we can double check. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, we know all of the 10 or the blue blocks equal 10. So we just need to figure out, how many when we add the yellow ones. So again, we're not going to count these all over again because we already know that the blue ones equal what? Correct. The blue equal 10. So now we just need to count on to figure out our team number. So 10, counting on, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So then you need to figure out which number on the bottom equals 16 or is 16. So the team number I know starts with a 1 in the front, and then I need the second number. So, oh my goodness, what does 16 look like? Listen to the name of that number, 16. Did you hear the number 6 in there? 16. And also remember, you counted 6 of these. So that can help you know that, oh, that's 16. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. All right, here we go. So we already know 10. We're going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, what number? 18. I wonder which one of the numbers on the bottom is 18. I guess I have to listen. 8, 8, 8, 18, 8. Oh, I see an 8 here. And the last one we know already has 10, so we're counting on. So we're going to tap our head. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there's one number left. And 15 doesn't really sound like 5, but 15 is 5. 1, 5, 15. All right. So you'll have another page to practice. After this, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So remember, we learned about teen numbers. A teen number is one set of 10. And I showed you that set of 10 could be in a 10 frame, or that 10 could be in a 10 stick. That 10 can be in this model where we're showing your 10s and your 1s. A 10 could be circled off in a group. And a 10 could be a problem where you have 10 items, one color, and then the extra ones a different color. Okay, so remember, teen numbers are 10 and however many you're adding to it. So if you had 15, it will be 10 and what? Yes, 10 and 5 make 15, okay? If your number was 19, you would have a 10 and what? Yes, a 10 and 9. So we're gonna do some practice. I'm gonna assign you some pages to do, and then you will see me again on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I will go over this with you again, and then we'll talk about it again on Friday. And hopefully my friends will be confident with teen numbers. All right? Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.